Here we are today handing over Joe Stewart's 565, a beautiful white classic looking 565. So Joe's gone with a 12-inch Simrad multi-function display, which is a sounder and a GPS all incorporated and can be networked with a lot more resources. It's the first 565 we've installed pie warmer. It's in the cabin, it's within reach from the deck, so you'll find that a really cool little inclusion. Mercury 200 V6 3.4 litre, the 200 and 225 are the most popular engine combinations we're putting on our 565. So what you'll notice on these 565 as well is all our high grade quality stainless steel fabricated pieces, 32mm, 316, and all your welds polished out. Easy tow trailer, you get a rolling hub and spare wheel with all our rigs now. The bra as well with a 32mm rail around it. You'll find that all our rigs now are fitted with electric brakes. Put a brake controller in your car with a 12-pin plug and you're done. So I just want to say congratulations to Joe. He's going to have awesome experiences out of this 565, especially where it comes from, down at the East Gippsland area. I'm sure we'll be seeing some photos and hearing of some really adventurous expeditions. So go for it, Joe. Show us what you can do, mate.